However, we now have our first glimpse of the possible front design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared an image on X, suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a design with slightly rounded corners. This would be a departure from the sharp corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this information is accurate, the rounded corners seem like a practical improvement, making the phone more comfortable to hold. The tipster also shared an image comparing the front design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It looks like Samsung's next flagship will retain the same screen size as its current model, with a similar screen aspect ratio to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ice Universe shared a photo comparing the design of the iPhone 16 Pro Max with the S25 Ultra. In another tweet, he mentioned that although the design is slightly rounder, it still closely resembles the Note when compared to the S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra. He also posted a picture asking, "What is the biggest problem with the S24 Ultra's design?" The number one flaw is that the horizontal screen-to-body ratio is too low. The body width is 79 millimeters, of which only 72.3 millimeters is the screen, and the remaining 6.7 millimeters is all the frame and the middle frame, which makes the hand feel full and difficult to hold with small hands. The width is even more urgent with a case, so I never use a case. The screen width is a little smaller than the S23 Ultra, and the practicality is really not good. The S25 Ultra is completely different. It has a narrower body than the S24 Ultra and a wider screen, which is an ideal design. According to earlier leaks, the phone is expected to include a faster chip, upgraded ultra-wide and telephoto cameras, and increased RAM. It seems it will also be given a new name to reflect these changes. Leaker Yogesh Brar, who has a solid track record, suggests that the successor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra will adopt the Note moniker. While he didn't confirm whether it will be called the Galaxy S25 Note or simply Galaxy Note 25, he hinted that the former is more likely. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.